Alright, let's get tactical. In this lecture, we are going to demystify the different interview formats you will likely encounter on your job search. Why does this matter? Because understanding the question style will help you tailor your answers and shine brighter than the competition. Let's break down the three main types. Number one, behavioral interviews. The focus, your past experiences and how you handled them. These questions usually start with tell me about a time when or describe a situation where. The goal. Interviewers want to see how you have demonstrated specific skills like conflict resolution or adaptability in real-world situations. Example question. Tell me about a time you had to deal with a difficult stakeholder. How did you approach it? Number two, situational interviews. The focus, hypothetical scenarios and how you would respond. You will hear things like if you were faced with or imagine a situation where. The goal, to gauge your thought process, problem-solving abilities, and how your knowledge of project management principles applies in challenging scenarios. Example question. Imagine your project is significantly behind schedule. What steps would you take to get it back on track? Technical interviews. The focus. Your hard knowledge of project management methodologies, tools, and jargon. Think Agile, Scrum, risk analysis, etc. The goal, to assess whether you have the necessary expertise to manage their specific types of projects. Example question. What is the difference between a risk and an issue? Can you provide an example of each? Key points to keep in mind. It is not always clear-cut. Interviews are often a blend of these formats. Be prepared to handle a mix of questions. Stories are your superpower. For behavioral and situational questions, think of past project examples that showcase your best qualities. We will cover storytelling techniques later on. Tech talk matters. Even if the role isn't super tech heavy, brush up on key terms and project management concepts. It shows you know your stuff. Start brainstorming. Choose one of these question examples. Behavioral. Tell me about a time you successfully managed a change in project scope. Situational. If a key team member suddenly leaves your project, how would you handle it? Technical. Explain the concept of work breakdown structure, WBS. Jot down a rough outline of how you would answer. This will get you ready for the real deal.